first hike of the spring.
We got
2025.
We got Bruno and Marty. He's hiding behind the little.
He keeps hiding behind the little dish there. I don't know if you can see him. Let me try to turn this way.
Yeah.
See if you can see him in there.
We're here at Enders State Forest in Connecticut. This is our first time here. It's a moderate hike, we hear. There should be a pretty nice waterfall at some point, so we're going to take these boys on a hike and show them what they miss when they're cooped up in their cage.
Yeah, we already gave them a little bit of water, which I splashed at the bottom of their backpack, but they're all set to go. They have some food, and they're ready.
Bird?
Yeah, we have our Budgies. Yeah.
Wow. This is one of the most hilarious things I have ever seen. We've got our babies.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we do.
I had Budgies in Australia.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. And I had a cockatiel.
Oh yeah, she wants.
We call a Wero.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
They are.
They can chat. They're really intelligent birds.
Yeah, they are.
And naughty.
Yeah.
I'm over there and I'm going, what has she got? I got to go have a look. I mean, good on you.
Yeah, thank you.
They want to head off.
Okay.
Enjoy your walk.
All right, thank you.
You so much.
Too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Go, boys.
So,
Bug on the lens there.
speaking of bugs,
Saw that.
a few things that you want to bring with you when you take your birds out hiking is, of course, some fresh water, some food, some snacks for you and the birds, bug spray.
Yeah.
Would have been a good idea.
Yeah, we didn't bring any.
We
but,
didn't bring any.
but we did apply sunscreen before heading out.
Yes. It's a must for me. And of course, don't forget your feathered friends.
Showing them the view, because that's the whole point. Gotta make sure we strap them in. There we go. That way they know they are safe and sound. So this way? Ryan always complains that I'm too rough with these guys, but I'm just trying to hike. I do my best.
What else do we need to bring?
About what?
Hiking with your birds?
Definitely comfortable clothes, whatever you wear. He's scaring everyone with his camera. Ooh, okay. We got some steps. Look, kids, we're here, pretty much.
wonder what goes on in the minds of a bird when they're brought out to this type of environment. All they've known is what it's like to live in a cage. But this is something else.
People coming through,
Okay.
so we gotta keep it moving.
All right, so it looks like we just passed the first falls, and it looks like there's a couple more small falls down below, and maybe the biggest one at the very bottom. So yeah, we'll see.
Where do you want to stand? Look what we met in the forest. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on, kids. You guys like it? It's nice, right? We're gonna throw them in the water. I'm not gonna do that. They are too precious.
Some days you
out
want
there.
to.
Some days you're like, why are you acting
Mostly
like
Marty.
that?
Bruno's been a good boy.
Yeah, Marty's been a little bit sky crazy these days, so he's definitely looking forward to being a dad.
Looks like this is the top of the big waterfall.
Yeah. Do you guys want to see? You want to take a shower? I think Marty wants to take a bath or something.
Probably.
He's shaking his feathers. I don't think we're going down
Ooh,
there.
she's going off trail.
No.
She's breaking the law.
We're just taking a bird's eye view.
Haha.
Relax.
Hilarious.
Do we just keep going up these steps?
I think we want to go further down, no?
I don't know what the trail is. I don't have the best sense of direction half the time, so that really depends on
This looks like
to
more
let me know where we're
like
going.
the hiking trails we're used to.
Yeah.
The last hike we brought them to a overlook outside of Middletown, Connecticut, and they really enjoyed, I would say, hour and a half, 2-hour hike.
Yeah. They always enjoy being out. And we do plan to get at least one other carrier right now, just so we can take more birds out at once. We started out as an experiment, so now I think once we get another carrier, we'll be taking out the girls as well at the same time, which will be nice. So that's blocked off because a tree fell. So we can't go over there.
It looks pretty steep too. Maybe we should turn around.
Yeah, not safe for the birds, so we're not gonna do that.
We're gonna go this way. try to get myself through this brush here. There we go. Oh yeah. That's where it's at.
Get ready. So we met our destination back here. Beautiful, beautiful waterfall. And these two are, I think, a little bit tired out. They have nappy eyes, closing them really slow. So I think that about wraps up our trip here today. A little adventure with these two, the first of the spring.
If you guys enjoyed watching us go on this hike with our birds, make sure you like and subscribe. We will be doing this a lot more this summer.
Yeah,
so
we're looking forward to it.
I think they enjoy coming out with us. They're really well behaved. They're probably the more calm group that we take out. The next time we'll bring out the girls, Iris and Snow, and we'll leave these boys at home until we get a bigger cage to bring them in.
Sky is out of commission right now. She's laying on 4 eggs. 2 of them look fertile, so Marty just might be a dad soon. We'll keep you posted on that.
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in to Casa Birdie, and we will have more adventures pending for the rest of the spring and summer and the fall. I can't wait for the leaves to change. So
yeah, it's going to be gorgeous.
We're definitely experimenting, so just stay tuned. If you have anything you want to see, let us know. We'll try it if we can. But for now, these two are very happy. So thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for the next adventure.
Say goodbye.